Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to add staff or freelancer or virtual assistant to your Shopify store and control what they can access, and it will be a complete step-by-step video. Whether you will need help with order fulfillment, marketing or store setup, this guide makes it super easy and secure for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to understand why add step accounts is needed. Adding user means you don't have to share your own login info. Then you can control exactly what others can do, like edit products or fulfill orders. It is more secure and professional for team collaboration. Let me know walk you through the full process. So let's go and talk about, like, in Shopify, let's go see the plan. Like, they don't allow you into the free plan to add users over here. As you can see, like here, additional staff account, like the premium plan, the Pro only give you the options to add 5 additional staff account. Then the advanced plan give you the 15 additional staff accounts. Similarly, this plus give you the options to add additional staff over here. So there is some barrier we have in this free plan, so we are not able to use or add additional stuff in our trial version. It's really hard. But if you want to just know how really add this stuff, we can walk with through this video. So first of all, I will click on login. Once I click over here to the login, then it will redirect us to this place. It is the dashboard of our Shopify store, and as you can see, this is our front interface of our Shopify store. Here you can see this is the menu bar and this is the product we have. So in this website, we just want to add some stuff for our organization of our website. So here from your Shopify dashboard, you just need to be click on setting. Once you click over here into the bottom left corner, you will find out the setting. Then click on user and permission. You will find out this kind of interface, and you just need to be click on user. Once you click over here, then here you can see that we are allowed to add our user over here. Here you can see our, like, we have one email address, and this is the role of store owner. So if you want to add user, this way you can, this is where you can manage all user connected to your store. So let's go and talk about the next step, that is click add step. Like, now you will have the option, like if you are using the premium plan, then you will get options called add step button. You just need to be enter the staff members full name onto the panel, type their email address. They will get an email invited to set up their own login. So here the process will be similar kind of this. Your current plan does not support having staff account, so that is the problem I already mentioned you. So here you just need to be use this $49 per month USD, then you are allowed to use it. So let's go, and next step is set permission. So before sending the invite, scroll down to choose what this person can access. Like, you will see option like orders, let them view or manage customer order. Then products, allow them to edit product listing. Then customer view or manage customer info. Then marketing, discount, apps setting, only give access if needed. If someone's just handling support or orders, uncheck everything else. Shopify lets you customize access exactly how you want it. Then let's go and talk about next step, that is send the invitation. Like, after selecting the right permission, you just need to be click on send invitation. Here you can see roles, then security. We have the roles like customer support, marketer, then we have merchandising, online store editor and administrator. So this is the role we have, so you can add more role over here if it is needed. So we have couple of options, so you just need to be explore it one by one to understand further more about these options. So here you can see, if you want to add a role like editor, let's name it editor only products, and then you can add description if it is needed. Just click on save, or you can just select one of them orders, and let's click on save. And in this way you already add and roll over that place. So here you can see editor only products. So whenever you will add an user, you can select their role. As you can see, my role is store owner. If you check this out, and here you will find out the role here, administrator. So you can add or edit your role throughout the options, so you have this access. Like your staff member will get an email when you fix the role. Once they accept the role, they will have their own login and limited access based on what you selected. So I hope you understand. So let me give you a bonus tip, that is view and remove users. So if you want to remove a user, it is really easy and simple task. You just need to be complete. So you can view all users anytime under setting, that user and permission options. So need to remove access of a user, then you just need to be click onto the staff member's name. Here you can see users, just select them. Once you select them, then scroll down bottom, and here you will get the revoke access. You just need to click on revoke access. By clicking this one, you will remove the staff. You can also edit permission anytime if someone's role changes. Then here you can see you can set point of sale pin, like you can do it if it is needed. Just click on general. Here you can see the general, we have this mail. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. So now let's go and talk about Shopify collaborator accounts. This is a pro tip I am going to share with you guys. If you are working with a Shopify partner or developer, they may ask for collaborator request instead of a staff invite. This gives temporary access without using up a staff slot. So you can use this one instead of the options called staff invite. So staff account limits, like it is optional, like note, you just need to be note it if you have any note in your near box. So just note it that basic Shopify plans allows up to 2 staff accounts. Then Shopify premium plan allows you to up to 5. Then advanced and plus plans plan allows even more. So choose who you invite wisely or upgrade your plan if needed. So I hope you understand. Whenever you will choose your plan, you just need to be choose it wisely. So here you just need to add couple of things, so be careful when you choose a plan. Just click here, you can see that if you select the grow one, then you have 5 additional staff accounts. If you choose the advanced one, then you can get 15 additional staff account. Then you can choose this one. Here you will get more options than compared to these 3. So it's totally depend on you. So now you can check this out and you can explore it, so you will identify all necessary things. So here we are going to wrap up the video. I try my best to give the whole knowledge I had on my mind. I try my best to give it, and I try to make it a step-by-step guideline for you guys. So that's it, the video. That's how you add user and control staff access in your Shopify store. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss Shopify tutorial like this. If you have any question, drop a comment below if you want a new video also. So let's end the video here. Thank you for watching the video till the end.